Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Rosalie and I'm so excited to show you guys my Halloween plushie series. Take a look at them. A very cute spider with a head, do the ghost, a monster and a vampire. Each pattern is very easy to follow, even for beginners, and requires no sewing except for the spider, where you'll need to sew on the head. All patterns include photo and video instructions to help you in difficult moments. They are perfect for the markets, and the best part is that you don't need a lot of yarn for them. I'd like to give a special thanks to my talented testers. They are amazing crocheters and their feedback helped make these patterns perfect. I really hope you enjoy this series of plushies and make your friends and family happy on Halloween. You can find the 4-in-1 pattern kit from my Etsy shop. There is a special discount available for this kit right now, don't miss it. I will greatly appreciate your feedbacks and tags. Thank you so much for the encouragement. See you soon!